This Timothy Toye and Associates property video is presented by Timothy Toye.
Peace, quiet, privacy and space on small acreage mountain spread of 2.11 acres. Neighbors?
You have none visible.
New large double drive-through garage.
Plenty of space for additional parking.
Room for gardening, pets or a horse. The home has new laminate flooring, new paint inside and out, vaulted ceilings, and a large master suite with separate bathroom shower, 2 walk-in closets.
2 other bedrooms on the other side of the living area for privacy in the home.
Turnkey condition, so move right in and take advantage of the lifestyle on offer.
Coal Creek runs through the front of the property.
For more information, review the details below or contact Timothy Toye at 707-928-5912.